Top 6. Best router tables. If you're looking for the best router tables, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Best overall. Bosch RA1181 router table. Number 2. Runner-up. Craig PRS 1045 router table. A standout feature for this router table is the fence lock. Its quarter-turn operation allows it to be tightened with one while also allowing users to remove it quickly for free handwork. Advanced woodworkers will appreciate that versatility. The table surface is large and smooth, allowing you to move pieces of varying sizes across it easily. The table height can be adjusted from 29 to 35 inches, something that taller joiners will be happy to see. It also comes with Craig's T-Track for a miter gauge, and the fence has a measuring scale to aid with setup. This router table can be recommended, especially for advanced woodworkers who use the table a lot. The Craig PRS 1045 Precision Router Table System is undoubtedly one of the best router tables you can find in the market. It is capable of handling most woodworking tasks. This router table is stable, durable, and easily carried from one place to another. Number 3. Best budget. Rockler Trim Router Table.
We here have a new router table. We've had a full line of router tables, but what we did this year is we kind of went small scale.
Yeah.
The new routers that are on the marketplace, the new trim routers, are really mini routers, and they're so multifunctional. We decided that as you're using a trim router for, trim work on the job, it'd be nice to be able to put it into a router table and use it as a table.
Sure.
So we came up with this small portable table that you can put your trim router in, do all normal router functions.
Right.
But then it's also set up so it quickly converts so that you can pop your router out.
Oh, nice.
Keep this base on your router, use it as a trim router wherever you want to.
Right.
And then it comes right back in. If you have a router table application, you can slip it in, you can put your router back, your fence back on, set it, and run moldings, make edge roundovers, so forth.
And that base locks right into the table. What is the dimension of the table?
It's 11 by 15.
Yeah, very good.
And it's designed so you can add a clamping strip on it. That makes it real easy. You can put it on a sawhorse, you can clamp it on the back of a pickup truck.
Right.
Wherever you do on the job site, it's there when you need it. It's small and compact.
Number 4. Best storable. Skill MDF router table. Number 5. Best lift. Craig PRS 5000 Precision Router Lift.
Safety and setup reliability, but table mounting can make it more challenging to set your bit's cutting depth and to change bits. The Craig Precision Router Lift overcomes those challenges by allowing you to control all aspects of your router's setup from above the table instead of having to reach underneath. Plus, the Precision Router Lift is packed with features that ensure you'll get the quick, accurate, reliable, and repeatable setups you need to get high-quality routing results. You'll appreciate those features from the moment you mount your router in the lift. Just position the clamp blocks on the heavy-duty router carriage to match your router. Slide the router in, and then tighten a locking bolt on the carriage. The Precision Router Lift accepts 20-plus popular router models just that easily, without modification or the need to purchase additional adapters. Installing router bits is incredibly easy with the Precision Router Lift 2. Instead of having to reach under the table or remove the router from the table entirely, you can simply raise the router up to access the collet from above the table. This dramatically reduces the time and hassle of changing bits, so you'll spend less time getting ready and more time routing. The Precision Router Lift also brings new levels of precision and simplicity to setting your router bit's cutting depth. Just insert the adjusting crank and give it a turn to raise or lower the bit. Every revolution moves the bit exactly 1/16 of an inch. A built-in micro-adjustment scale adds even greater precision by allowing you to accurately track setup changes down to thousandths of an inch. The scale can be adjusted to 0 at any point in order to establish your baseline bit setup, which makes it easy to tell precisely how far the bit is moving from that point as you raise or lower it, and to return to that exact same baseline setup. Built-in anti-backlash compensation assures that there's no slop when you turn the crank, so you can be confident that even the smallest adjustments are incredibly accurate and precise. Once you have your bit setup dialed in, you can lock the carriage in position to maintain that precision cut after cut. The Precision Router Lift is built for durability with a 3/8-inch thick, hard anodized plate that resists scratching and that won't sag, even under the weight of the biggest routers. Ball bearings, heavy-duty metal parts, and precise manufacturing.
Important tools for any serious woodworker to have in their wood shop. Whether you're routing a simple dado, putting an edge on a countertop, or building an entire set of raised panel doors, the Craig Precision Router Table can help you finish projects faster and with greater precision than ever before. Through a unique set of features, including its table saw-inspired self-squaring fence, the Precision Router Table provides an innovative look at one of the most useful tools in your shop. The feature that truly sets the Precision Router Table apart from the competition is its fence. Featuring a unique self-squaring T-square design, similar to those found on high-end table saws, the fence stays perfectly parallel to the miter slot, making many routing tasks faster and easier than ever before. Conventional router tables' dual pivot designs require adjustment from both sides of the fence because each side can be adjusted individually. Any adjustment from one end does not represent the change near the bit. The Craig Router Table, however, features a self-squaring design which eliminates this problem. The fence glides along the mounting rail, which automatically squares the fence with the miter slot when the lockdown handle is depressed. Why is this important? With the fence squared with the table, you can be sure that every adjustment you make on the scale is perfectly and instantly translated to the center of the fence. There's no reason to adjust from both sides of the table, and there's no reason to get out the tape measure and pencil to readjust the fence to the miter slot. What you see on the measuring scale is what you get at the bit. When working with a bearingless bit to construct a sliding dovetail joint, this feature can be easily appreciated. With the sliding scale zeroed on the center of the bit, any adjustments in either direction will accurately indicate the distance between the fence face and the center
Thanks
of the
for
router
watching,
bit.
and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.